Hey guys, it's Carson here. So today I'm going to do one of my all-time favorite things, and that's make cookies. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some soft butter. So to that, we're going to add our white sugar and our brown sugar. Turn down the speed, and we're going to slowly add our eggs. So turn that off, turn it down to a low speed. Lowest speed possible, because if we don't, we're going to end up with a huge mess. So I'm adding some delicious vanilla. I like to add both baking soda and powder in equal parts. So we're going to add our flour. Now we're going to add our chocolate chips, because what chocolate chip cookies without us chocolate chips. Turn that on, mix that up. Perfect. So you can see how it's kind of a Play-Doh-y like texture. That's what we're looking for my personal opinion, for a good cookie dough. All right, guys, now we're going to throw our cookie dough into the oven. So I've got it trayed up nice and neat. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees, and I like to set a timer for 6 minutes. All right, guys, so the cookies are done. I'm gonna pull them out of the oven. The next part is my honest favorite part. I love making cookies, but what I love most about it is I get to go and give them to staff. Spread the cheer, spread the joy, chocolate chip cookie. It makes someone's day, and I love that, and that's why I do this.